Have you ever wanted to follow those African pattern tutorials but gave up because they use inches? Let me take the confusion out of it and show you how to master tape reading in inches with ease. A tape measure for sewing has two faces, one with smaller numbers which usually shows measurement in centimeter, and one with bold numbers which usually shows measurement in inches. Now the measurements on each bar is 1 inch, and as it progresses it keeps adding up and adding up. So like 1, 2, 3 and so forth. Now gotten that, let's look at what is in an inch, because I know that is where the confusion lies. I would have preferred to use the bar of 1 inch, but the hook there covers most strokes. So I'll just fold it and then use the bar in 2 inch to make us understand the strokes. Now we have 8 strokes in a bar. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 strokes in a bar. So I decided to draw it out on a board so you can understand clearly, because I really want you to understand it. Draw out there is just the strokes in an inch. Now let's get this clearly. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, which implies that each strokes is 1/8. So 1/8, 2/8, and it keeps adding up till it gets to 8/8. There are some fractions there that are not in their simplest form, so we want to divide them to their simplest form. The 2/8 is not in the simplest form. We divide it and we have 1/4, and we've gotten quarter. The 3/8, no. The 4/8, yes, can be divided to 1/2, which is half. We are getting there. The 5/8, the 6/8, yes, which is 3/4. We are getting there. It's very easy. The 7/8, no. The 8/8, yes, which is 1 inch. So we've gotten quarter, we've seen half, you've seen 3/4. Now let's write it at the top part so you understand. Now there are some measurements that are very important. It is the quarter, the half, and the 3/4. That is what we use often. So we're going to convert those ones into decimal because that's what our calculator gives us, and we use our calculator most times. Now let's understand it clearly on our tape measure. So we see that is our 0.25. That is our 0.5. The next is our 0.75. And then we have the whole numbers, which are glaring. Are you still a bit confused? Don't worry, I'm here for you. Let's use examples to help you understand it well. Let's take 12.25 as an example, 12/4. You go to the bar of 12 and the one that follows gives you whatever decimal or whatever fraction it is. So 0.25 will be the second stroke, which is 12/4. Then let's take another example of 18.5. So you go to the bar of 18 and you know that is half. Just mark on that. That is 18.5. Let's also use another example of 26.75 or 26 3/4. You go to the bar of 26 and you look for 3/4 and just mark on that. So that is 0.75 3/4 and that is it, and just mark on that. That is how simple it is. Tape measure in inches is no longer a mystery. This skill, you are one step closer to making your stunning patterns. But then remember, this makes perfect. So bring out your tape measure, try it out, and see how much easier it becomes.